Hey y'all, this is Household Manager 1 and today I'm going to be installing a hand soap dispenser. So this is just a little short video of me installing it. Shout out to my Uncle Dick. Okay, first things first. Forgot a pencil. I need a pencil.
Hold on.
Okay, first things first. Get this out of there. Open this thing up. I know my uncle already know how to do this because he taught me. Okay. What I gotta do is I'm gonna put this up here. I don't even need a pencil. I can do this. There we go. So I got a little mark on the drill that. Make sure it's perfectly even. Yeah. Now I gotta get my drill. You scoot back, you don't have to be that far up on you. Just scoot back a little bit. Damn, there we go. First thing first. Drill this hole. Hopefully it ain't nothing behind there. I don't think it's nothing behind there. You gonna have to tell me which drill to get, man. When you see this video. Okay, there we go. Drill a hole. Yep, we got that behind there. It's probably my son's closet over there. Okay, so now, got to get one of these. Push that in there. So, I'm gonna put that nail in there to be secure. Probably need to. Got it too tight. I think we'll be fine like that. Okay, let me get this one. Drill that hole. Yeah, too far. That's alright. It can have a little bit of room. Put that on there once we get the nails in there. Okay. Last but not least, this next. Put this on. Bam! Got it on there. Screw them all the way down. Yeah, perfectly secure. So we got that secure. So now we're gonna put this on here. I am silly. Okay, so we're gonna put this washing liquid. It's really supposed to say hand soap, but I don't know why it says shampoo, bath foam, and washing liquid. We need it to say hand soap. So we're gonna just keep washing liquid. Bam. Got it. Got it right. We gotta put this in there. So this is the hand soap. I prefer a more name brand soap, but this is what we got so far. This is what Household Manager 2 bought, so supplied us with. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna hold that in there. We don't got nothing coming out of there, so we do it. Bam.
Why don't you fill it all the way up to the top?
It's fine right there, because I don't want it to spill over.
How about if it doesn't? Just like put it like right
I
there.
think it's fine where it's at. So we got that right there. So we're gonna go back to this drip. Hold on, you're not filming. We're gonna go back to this. Film this.